Say hi to them.
Hi.
What are you going to do today?
Toys.
You're going to unbox a toy? Okay, I'll give you the toy.
Toy. Hi. Oh, I'm the baby.
What's that? Show it to them first. Show it to them first. What is that one, Ethan?
Excavator.
Very good. You wanna open that now? Do you need help?
Wow.
Okay, what's the feature of that one, Ethan? Can you tell us? Huh? Anong meron dyan? Show it to them. We'll open it. Okay, here is the... Hey, wait. We have to
Open it.
open it. Very good. Okay, you want to play it? Oh, you can play it around.
At power.
Oh, what happened? Excavator sira. Oh, you press the other button and show it to them.
Another hawag.
Huh?
Hawag.
Mahuhulog. Okay, so you have to control it so it won't fall.
1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oops, nothing happened. What happened? You have to press the red button. You've got the red button there? I'll catch it so it won't fall, okay? I'll catch it.
At power.
Oh, yung ibang button. Press the other button. Oh, you press the other button. Where's the other? Can I try it?
At power.
Okay, story.
What's the other button? Wow, very good. What's going on? Okay. Show it to them. Oh, you have to use the remote control, baby. You have to use the remote control.
At power.
Yeah, nothing.
What other control have you got there? What other control have you got there? Try.
Hawag.
Oh yes, mahuhulog siya. Okay, that's fine. Mommy will catch it.
Mommy.
Oh yes, okay. Try the other button. Try the other. I think you have to press this one.
Oh.
Dance.
Cat power.
Oh,
Can I try it? Oh, mommy will try it. Okay. Ooh, look at that. What it's doing? It's digging. Then, ooh, okay.
E. This is super.